how to fix TikTok comments not loading. So hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok comments not loading. So for that, the first thing what you can do is restart the app. You see, when you open your TikTok app and your comments are not loading, you can just swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to close it from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next thing what you can do is toggle the internet connection. You can just simply switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data, or you can just toggle your airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then off to see if it refreshes. Now the next thing what you can do is log out and then log back in. Just open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap on the three-line menu and then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down and then tap log out. Then tap log out one more time and then immediately log back in to refresh your server session. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.